Good day everyone, this is Michila V. Kayunanggong from BIT Electronics, and this is my conflict tree analysis, and this is about MNLF and MILF and the Philippine government conflict. The historical roots of the conflict between the Philippines in the Moro Islamic Liberation Front and the Moro National Liberation Front can be traced back to the Obrap Revolution in the zone in Visayas, prompting migration to Mindanao. The Philippine government, under the Migrants and Settlers Decree and Homestead Program, encouraged this migration with incentives such as land grants. However, colonialism played a role dominating the local culture, leading to discontent, rebellion, and ultimately disagreements between the MILF and the Philippine government. The core of the conflict revolves around the struggle for self-determination and autonomy of the Muslim minority in the southern Philippines. Discrimination and marginalization of the Muslim population during Spanish colonization set the stage for the emergence of groups like the MILF and MNLF, fighting for control over ancestral lands and political economic rights. Attempts at peace negotiations such as the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao have been made, but the conflict remains unresolved, marked by devastating consequences including war, violence, and loss of innocent lives. Examining the MNLF's timeline reveals the key events such as its establishment in 1971 by Nur Miswari, the Tripoli Agreement in 1976, and the 1996 final peace agreement signed with the President Fidel Ramos. Despite these agreements, internal divisions and factionalism persisted with the MNLF, leading to the clashes and violence. The subsequent years saw shifts in leadership, clashes in Zamboanga City in 2013, in opposition to government initiatives like the Bangsamoro Organic Law in 2018. In parallel, the MILF formed in 1981 pursuing the creation of a separate Islamic State in the southern Philippines. Peace talks with the government starting in 1997, the brokered by Malaysia faced challenges, including the rejection of a draft agreement by the Supreme Court in 2008. Efforts towards a comprehensive peace agreement continued, with significant development announced by President Benigno Aquino in 2012, aiming for the formation of the Bangsamoro region. The Mindanao conflict's complexity lies in historical factors including annexation, military pacification, land issues, and cultural tensions. Despite various peace initiatives, the intertwining of peace and human rights remain a critical consideration for any lasting resolution. Ongoing negotiations highlight the need for a comprehensive approach aligned with international human rights standards. The effects of this conflict have been profound, resulting in the loss of lives and destruction of infrastructure and displacement of communities. In an attempt to address the situation, the Philippine government established the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao. As a result of negotiations, however, the conflicts persisted, leading to the formation of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. In an effort to provide a more comprehensive framework for self-governance and autonomy for the Moro people, the MNLF, founded by Nur Miswari in 1971, initially sought full independence for the Moro people. The signing of the Tripoli Agreement in 1976 aimed to establish an autonomous region for ethnic Muslim Filipinos. However, internal divisions within the MNLF, shifts in demand from full independence to regional autonomy, opposition to the establishment of ERMM in 1989 complicated the peace process. Despite the signing of the 1996 final peace agreement, subsequent events including the declaration of independence of the Bangsamoro Republic in 2013 showcase ongoing challenges in internal strife within the MNLF. On the other hand, the MILF, formed in 1981 spring, splitting from the MNLF, has been considered the country's largest Muslim rebel group, advocating the advocating for a separate Islamic state in the southern Philippines. The MNLF engaged in peace talks with the Philippine government with significant agreements like the 2008 outlining the Bangsamoro homeland delineation. However, legal challenges in the Supreme Court ruling on the unconstitutionality of the MOAAD in 2000 led to renewed hostilities. Efforts toward peace have faced setbacks and emphasizing the delicate balance between addressing historical grievances, ensuring autonomy, and upholding human rights.